leave. He hit my car on the highway and trying to leave. He hit my car on the highway and trying to leave. Bro, fuck no. Bro, fuck no. Bro, fuck no. Bro, fuck no, bro. He hit my car on the highway and he's trying to leave. He hit my car on the highway and he's trying to leave. Bro, no. Bro, no. He hit my car on the highway and he's trying to leave. He hit my car on the highway and he's trying to leave. He hit my car, bro. Bro, you're not getting away, bro. Why would you try to leave, bro? What is your name, bro? You hit my car, bro. What's good with you, bro? Why would you leave and try to wreck like that?
I'm sorry, bro.
Bro, what's your name, bro?
Bro,
don't
I'm sorry, bro.
Bro, what's your name, bro? I need all that, bro. I'm recording all this, bro. I need your name. I already got your license plate and all that, bro. I need that. You hit my fucking car, bro. I need that. I need that, bro. Look what you did, bro. You fucked up my shit, bro. I just got this whip. Come on, man. What is your name? I need all that, bro. I need all that. Why are you trying to run off, bro? What is your name? I need something, bro. I need something, bro. I'm not even playing right now, man. You just hit my whip. You keep trying to run off, bro. I'm gonna follow you. Bro, what is your name, bro? Bro, you're going on the internet too, bro. You're going on the internet too, so what? Come on, man. You need to give me something, bro. Who do you gotta take it in for? We both black. We both black.
I'm sorry.
It's not even, I'm sorry. It's not even, I'm sorry, bro. How you gonna pay for this? How I'm gonna pay for it?
It's my girl car. I'm sorry, man.
Bro, ain't no I'm sorry. How am I gonna pay for it? What is your name? I need something, bro. It's not even, bro, you think I'm about to pay for it, bro, when I just got this whip last week? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What is your name? Bro, I'm following you, bro, wherever you go, bro. I will call the police right now.
Go ahead.
Bro,
I'm sorry.
it ain't no I'm sorry, bro.
Hey, bro, calm the fuck down, man.
What do you mean calm down, bro? 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 You about to assault me when you hit my whip?
Nah,
You about to assault me?
man.
You about to assault me when you hit my whip? Huh? Give me your name. Give me your
Nu, hai să văd dacă treci. sounds pretty bad.